Click Image to open expanded view. Apple iPhone XR, fully unlocked, 64. Renewed, by Amazon. Renewed 4.4 out of 5 stars. 250 customer reviews, 446 answered questions available from these sellers. Color: coral, black, blue, coral, red, wide, yellow. Size: 64 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes. Product works and looks like new. Backed by the 90-day Amazon Renewed guarantee. Renewed products work and look like new. These pre-owned products are not Apple certified but have been inspected and tested by Amazon qualified suppliers. Box and accessories: no headphones included, may be generic. Wireless devices come with the 90-day Amazon Renewed guarantee. Learn more. 7-layer color process. The beautiful finishes of the back glass are achieved using an advanced process that allows for deep, rich colors. Aerospace-grade aluminum bands. A special Apple-designed alloy is precision machined to create structural bands and anodized to complement the color of the back glass. Wireless charging. The glass back allows iPhone XR to charge easily and wirelessly. Intelligent A12 Bionic. This is the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, with our next-generation neural engine. 12MP rear camera, f/1.8, wide-angle lens, portrait mode with depth control, 2x faster sensor for smart HDR across your photos, 4K video up to 60 fps.